Hi guys! So, part 2 to ng video namin. Jed, asan tayo? Ay, wag ka may... Isa, asan tayo?
Ako yung tinanong. We're on the way to, I don't know where, palabas ng Meza?
Tanga, wala na tayo sa menu.
I mean, palabas. Hindi ko alam kung saan to. Sorry guys, taong Marikina ako, not here.
Ay, hindi ka kita, Isa.
Kunyari na lang voice over.
Si Miles. Ba't ka nagpo-phone while driving?
Sorry, natutaranta kaming mga kaibigan mo.
Si Isa kasi, inaway ako.
Oo, ba't ako? Ikaw yung nagtatanong sa akin eh. Ang ganda nga ng usapan namin.
Ang ganda ng usapan namin.
Very hypothetical.
Kaya, sagutin mo yung tanong.
Okay, well, while you guys were talking, I was panicking.
Dati sinagot mo yung call ni Mama. Natawag ba? Hindi.
Yeah, but,
Okay lang naman sagot
like,
yung call ni Mama.
it called like 1 second, tapos nawala yung note.
Mabait naman si Mama, di ka kagagatin. Kapag si Daddy tumawag, yun ang huwag mong sasagutin. Yun yung tip ko sa'yo. Ay, joke lang. Si Daddy gusto pala sinasagot yun.
Mahina kasi yung data sa may elevator part. And then, I wasn't able to answer your mom's call. And then your mom asked me where you were. I thought na your phone was with you. That's why I kept calling you and stuff. Si Isa, I tried calling her and
I thought na wala yung car key mo sa taas, kaya nag-chat ka. Wala ito. Sorry.
Damn, my blonde.
Sorry. Oh, ba't ka nag-okay?
What?
Ba't ka nag-okay?
I said it's okay.
Bakit ka nga nag-okay?
What am I supposed to say?
Natalo ka.
Huh?
Ay, sa'yo ka ro.
I
hate you.
Sorry.
Answer my question.
What the?
Question. Yung kilalay na pinagtatalunan nila ni Clariza.
So, Isa, witness ka nito.
Oh.
Yung answer ko is, your personality in my ex's body.
So, mas gusto mo yung katawan ng ex mo?
Of course not.
No. Ayun na yung end of the discussion. I don't want my body.
Yeah, I am not, I don't date people for how they look. I don't date people for their appearances. I don't date people for their body structure. I don't date people for how their face looks. Because it looks only like matters like 1% in your relationship. Holy fuck.
No?
Are you kidding?
Hindi. Like, sige, paano mo ako nakalala? It's because of my appearance.
Okay, but I didn't engage in a relationship with you just because of how you looked. Okay. And then, of course, I am staying in a relationship with you because of your personality. Why would I? It is such a low, like, parang mababaw na reason siya kung mag-engage ka ng relationship just because of the looks of the person. Because what keeps your relationship alive is how both of you treat each other. Let's say gwapong-gwapo yung tao pero yung ugali parang panot pala. Pangit ng ugali. How will that relation stay alive if you don't feel good within that relationship? Looks don't do anything. Looks don't reassure you. Looks don't treat you good. Looks are just there, just for aesthetic. What keeps a person in a relationship is how they treat each other. And I wouldn't want to be in a relationship with my ex if someone's personality is like that. Doesn't matter how they look.
Sheesh.
Yan, siya answer.
Okay.
Kaya ikaw,
Copy-paste.
Copy-paste.
is that real? You're witness na cheat.
Copy-paste. naman. Ikwilbot mo naman.
Wala. Plagiarism 100%.
Hindi nga written by AI yung plagiarism mo naman 100%.
Sorry.
Oh, sige. Wala naman lang. Kopyahin mo lang pero ibahin mo naman ng konti. Wala. Kopyahin mo lang.
Ay, kanina sinabi ko, ganun yung thought ko na why would I look sa appearance sa isang tao?
Okay, expound.
Ayun na yun, copy paste nga yun.
Kahit naman lang sabihin mo yung Tagalog version.
Pero the thought is, si Windrose pa rin yun, hindi ako.
Caitlyn, it doesn't matter what they
Ah, you're calling me Caitlyn.
Huh? What?
Or you're calling me Caitlyn. Kanina tinawag kita ng chat. Ayaw mo.
What do you mean?
Mm.
Okay, going back to the point. Like what I said nga, it doesn't matter what you do or how you look. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter nga how you look. It doesn't matter if you...
First time mo hindi magbigay. Ay ko first time mo hindi magbigay.
Ito yung hindi magbigay.
Sa motor.
Nag-uusap ako. Ikaw nga, wala kang masasabi. Puro copy-paste lang.
Ay, second mo.
Go. Understand. Add some originality.
Ikaw isa.
What?
Ikaw mo tatigdag.
Wala. Kasi yun din yung sagot ko.
Oh, di ba? Copy paste lang.
Ay, hindi.
I'm
Pero
not asking Isa. I'm asking you. What your answer? Ganda mo.
Yeah. Isa ganda ng mood.
Ha?
Ganda ng mood.
Real. Ang laki nga eh. It's almost time for me to go, guys. Kiss. Ay, baka magsalo si Jed.
Hindi, okay lang. Pagkangat mo muli.
No!
Bye, guys.
No!
Titlip. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Jed. Ingat.
Isa.
Thank you guys for today. See you guys tomorrow. Ay, basa. Bye, ingat. Bye-bye, ingat.
Ngayon ko sasagutin yung question. Ay, okay isa.
Okay.
Ano ulit question mo? Gusto ko dito yung para may context tayo.
My question is, if...
Ga! Ano dinner?
Huh?
Ano dinner?
Later mo lang. Let's worry about dinner later.
Ha?
Let's worry about dinner later. Not dito as
Hello, where's... Oh, same answer. Sa'yo.
Okay. You said you wouldn't answer kanina because naiyak ka kay Isa, so wanted to share yun what sabi
Mas
sa'yo.
pipiliin ko yung Jed na ugali. Wala ko muna unang sumagot, no? Or at least ako yung may originality din. Piliin ko yung Jed na ugali. Pero mukha niya. First of all. Ang pangit kasi ng kwento ko eh.
What you say? Yeah, I wouldn't judge you for your answers. It's how you feel.
Pero paulit-ulit lang yung answers ko.
It doesn't matter. Just tell me how you say it. I learned this from... I heard this from a movie. It doesn't matter what the content of your statement is. What matters is how you structure it. So go. I want to hear your version of my answer.
Remember the time sinabi ko, alam ka, hindi ako sanay magsalita talaga. Or on chat talaga. Remember the time na sinabi ko na I'm the happiest when I'm with you?
Oh.
It's actually true. Like, sobrang genuine. Like, sobrang saya ko. Na never kong na-experience. Sa kay Tot ni Faye.
Oh.
Ba't ka parang,
Oh, no, I'm just...
You're pressuring me.
This truck is pressuring me. I just bus. Okay, go.
Wala lang.
Just gonna pick a lane.
Bakit parang high blood ka?
No, I'm just hyping towards jeepney drivers.
Kumusta pakiramdam mo?
Huh?
Kumusta pakiramdam mo?
Feel better.
Really? Ay ka. Sige, never mind. Like, ang bilis nga eh. Actually, not mabilis, pero mabilis siya. Like, the way and yung span kung gaano ako kabilis na attach sa'yo. Ano naman? Sobrang quick nun. I can't blame myself.
Pick how?
Like, ang bilis. Like the first week na totally mahalaga kita, hindi ganun yun. Kasi,
You weren't even sure with me.
Oo, pero wait lang. Hindi pa ako sure sa'yo, pero sabi ko yung na-attach. Sabi ko, hindi pa ako sure sa'yo nun. Especially the first MOA ever si Sai. Pero sobrang bilis ako na sa'yo in a way na like bakit ka mag-construct?
No, just construct it. It doesn't matter na like how well you say it. I just want to hear what's in your heart or like how you feel. No sugar coating. Just go. Say it.
Wala, ang cute mo.
Huh?
Wait. Ang cute lang na ang cute lang na wala, na-imagine ko lang. Ang first weeks natin being together.
Uh-huh.
Like, first time kong tumakas ng ganun galing araw. For someone, especially na doon yung daddy ko. Like, it's my biggest risk siguro na ginawa ko talaga in my whole life. Knowing na sobrang takot kami kay daddy. Na, ewan, sobra talaga. Pero, wala, tinake ko yung risk na yun just to be with you. Ano lang, kasi gusto ko rin naman. And sobrang, for me ang genuine lang. Ang genuine lang. Kapag gano'n, na sponty na. Gusto ko lang talaga ikaw yung nag-i-initiate. I don't know. Sorry if boring siya. Na if gusto ko palagi na lang ikaw mag-initiate. Tara, ganito, tara. Pero meron pala akong ayaw sa'yo.
Yes.
Lately ko lang to parang lately ko lang to nag-sink in sa akin na hindi mo naman palaging ginagawa. Pero actually maliit lang tong bagay. Ayoko kapag may sinabi ka na gagawin natin pero hindi natutuloy.
Okay.
Kahit sobrang liit na bagay, like, alam mo, gets mo naman yan, diba?
Yes.
Wala lang, kasi, wala lang. Siguro pero sa akin may problema yan. Kasi, once na sinabi mo, mag-expect ako na gagawin natin yan.
I have to be committed to it yet. Sorry.
Wala lang, nag-disappoint lang
I know.
ako. Na, pero sinabi ko yun sa sarili ko, ikaw mag-expect masyado. Kasi hindi naman lahat talaga kaya. Especially if maraming factors na ayun.
No, it's okay. It's like creating false promises.
Sino? No, ako na nakakita.
Oh, ganun pala yun.
Oo.
Okay. So, anyway, it's a fault not on my end because I was the one who talked about it and then hindi pala tuloy. By the way, do you think Kyron left to Batangas?
Today?
Yeah?
Nandun na iPad niya. Check mo mamaya sa Live 360. Kasama niya si Cass, di ba? So, there's no way na pumunta siyang Batangas.
Oh.
Ay, oo, kanina pa nagayaya si Cass. Niyayaya ako ni Cass. Zeus daw kami.
Han?
Zeus.
What's Zeus?
Yung coffee shop na bagong bukas sa SM. Yung color blue.
Parang ba?
So, may second floor. Pagkataas mo ng...
Yo, look at that.
Zeus? What's that?
Okay, let's go there sometime.
What's
Holy
that?
shit, that looks so cute.
What's that?
Coffee place.
Okay.
That's so cute. Okay, go.
Ganda ng moon nga nun.
Thank you for telling me.
Ano?
The thing that bothered you.
May sabi mo, maging open ako sa'yo.
Yeah, that's it. Love you for that.
Nothing ito.
Yeah, I guess I appreciate the effort that you made. Because I know you're not used to it, and I know it's something new for you, but the fact that you're able to do something like that already makes me happy.
Come here. Love you lang ka. So,
I won't do that.
hindi mo rin masasabi kasi
I mean, of course, yeah, you said nga there could be a lot of factors, but if I plan something, I'll make sure talaga na ganyan yung matutuloy.
ayoko tapos mag-expect na naman ako tapos hindi ko
Not naman.
naman.
I assure you. I assure you. I assure you.
Pag ako nag-expect tapos hindi matutuloy.
I assure you. I assure you.
Bakit road range ka ngayon?
Oh, no. Is it not me?
So going back to the topic, wala lang, I appreciate lang your gestures, small things. Especially, ang cute nga nila Blivy at saka nila Rio eh.
Right?
Like my past, hindi niya kaya gawin yun. Sobrang never. So, again, hindi naman ako materialistic na tao, pero
Like small gifts are just really cute. But
yun
especially,
eh, like small gift nga eh.
especially na,
For me nga, mas nagmamatter pa yung small gift eh.
di ba?
Ang cute lang, like naaalala mo yung tao na yun. Kahit sa maliit na lang. Ano, kasi again, for what ba yung physical appearance? Siyempre mas nagmamatter yung iba. Remember,
Yeah.
nag-chat siya, diba?
Sino?
Nag-chat siya ng January 1.
Ah.
He said na he's willing to start 2024. Kalimutan lahat ng nangyari ng past. Pero my decision is no. Bakit pa ako magsasettle sa isang taong ganun yung ugali?
Nakakalimutan.
Like, kalimutan na lahat ng past. Like, let's start new. Like, bagong kami, ganun. The fuck, sa span ng relationship sa span ng sa span ng relationship namin, like, hindi naman lang ba naisip na sana starting pa lang inayos na niya yung pagtrato niya. Like, sobrang daming araw na pwede siyang bumawi, pero kung kailan wala na, tsaka siya magsasabi na gano'n. nabibigay mo yung mga
Kulang niya.
yeah, hindi yun ganun.
What does it mean?
Yun nga yung hindi ko ma-explain. Pero it's not
No,
about that.
I get your point. It's okay. You don't have to explain. I get what you're trying to say, but it's okay. You don't have to put an effort. But I already know what you mean. I know.
Thank you, girl. I love you. Alam mo ba? Alam mo na to eh.
Ano?
Nakwento ko na ata sa'yo. Never akong sincompliment ng ex ko.
What do you mean compliment?
Never niya akong sinabihan maganda ako. Siguro sinabihan niya ako sa buong isang taon. Like 1 year. Siguro 5 times lang.
What?
I swear. Like, in-open up ko sa kanya. Yan ah. In-open up ko. Bakit? Like, tinanong ko sa kanya, bakit ba ako? Sabi ko, hindi naman daw. Like, ganyan. Sabi ko, bakit never mo ako compliment? Sabi niya, hindi niya raw yung thing na mag-compliment na ito.
What?
Yeah, actually, he said that. So,
No. No.
Kaya mong i-backread yun. I-search in convo mo. Kaya. As in, na doon lahat ng ano niya. Lahat ng reasons niya na hindi daw siya ganun. Asan yung effort doon? Like, take note ha. In-open up. Ilang beses kong in-open up sa kanya yun. Wala lang.
How about me?
You don't know? Ilang times?
Kasi guys, totoo naman talaga. But if totoo naman, hindi, ba't ayaw mo sabihin? Like, okay, first of all, my number one rule in being in a relationship is to learn their love language. Because because guys, if you learn your partner's love language, that is how you can make them feel loved in a relationship. Because if you don't do that and you just stick to what you think you should do in a relationship, then
Can I cry?
how? Yeah, go. It's okay.
Na-appreciate lang kita. Kasi ilang beses kong sinabi sa kanya na never niya akong minahal sa parang gusto ko. As in.
Yeah. Because guys, wait, it's like I'm talking to an audience. Holy shit. But yeah, guys, it really is important talaga to satisfy your partner's love language, because first of all, it is how you can show love to them. Plus, it is how you can make them stay in the relationship din. Well, it's such an easy principle, but it matters so much in a relationship, di ba?
Swerte ko naman siya.
Ha?
Swerte ko naman siya.
Swerte ko rin siya.
Thank you kay tita at tito.
Never ako titigil, hindi ko compliment kita ba? Yun? Gaganda nito. Ganda nito guys, no? Ay, nag-message si Kyle. Na...
Kinausap. Okay, nakausap ko.
Yes. I don't know, guys.
Okay, these are my meals. Si Riza kasi never siya nagbibigay ng picture niya sa iba. Kaya alam mo yung picture na yun, yung nakita mo sa phone ko, yung kay Riza, yung tatang picture.
Ah,
Hinihingi ko nga sa kanya yun. Kasi nakita. Just go. Parang hindi
Ay,
magkaibigan lagi
kanina
wala
pala.
siya.
No.
Bakit umulit si Yana?
Kasi hindi talaga siya prepared.
Really?
Tapos sabi ni Eligado,
Si Eligado ba yun?
nanonotice ko na hindi ka prepared, sasayangin mo lang oras mo, uulit ka mamaya.
Sabi niya gano'n.
Oh, buti na lang. Kasi di ba kung papaulit din, bagsak ka na ng first. Hindi binagsak ni Eligado.
But
Pinaulit
you
lang.
from the start. So, panibagong scoring.
And then I asked Gab, Mati yan siya. Kasi, para sa akin parang matalino naman din siya.
Actually, sa friend group namin, for
Yana
me,
yung-
pinaka nag-i-ace talaga si Raina. Si Yana yung pinaka. Sorry, Yana. Sorry,
Pero,
Yana.
gets ko naman, it's like si Yana yung pinaka
Talaga siya.
may effort sa academics.
Yeah, talaga. Especially sa group work. Nakailang beses ko nakagrupo si Yana kasi she's my friend, di ba? Sobrang hirap akong i-approach si Yana.
Yeah, I asked him, is she like slackish ba when it comes to academics? He said, yeah, sort of, yes.
Maganda siya. Well, I don't know. No, pero she's my friend. Like, okay kami niya. Like,
I don't know, I guess from what I see, matalino si Yana, like sobrang ma-effort sa ACADS. No lang, I guess. Hindi pala.
lagi kong kagrupo ng si Karen, si Cassie, ako, si Yana, tsaka si Sheehan. Especially sa micropar. Si Yana parang walang ginawa. Buong activity. Parang kami lang apat. Hindi naman namin maano si Yana kasi she's my friend. She's like friend namin siya. Pero okay naman siya bilang kaibigan.
Slackish lang sa...
Yeah. May ganun naman talaga ang tao.
Like more slackish than me?
No! Ay! Yana?
Huh?
Hindi ka naman.
Slackish? Hindi ako slackish?
Hindi.
Oh.
Ano ko gano'n?
Nakikita mo na nga yung mga habits ko.
Ang galing mo nga mag-memorize kasi bobo talaga ako sa memorization. As in, I swear. Ang galing mo memorize. Ang bilis mo mag-memorize.
Me?
Oo. Kaya sobrang ayaw ko ng retem. Sobrang bobo ko mag-memorize.
Really?
Sobra. Ayun yung pinaka-ayaw ko memorizing. Tapos nandito pa ako sa field nito. Kaya ito yung pinaka-ayaw ko sa
Sa
medicine. Yeah.
science course.
Kaya.
Memorization.
Bobo
You're
talaga ako
more
sa-
on applications of principles.
Yeah. Kasi ayaw ko talaga memorize.
Like for example, like math.
Yeah.
You can like memorize like the root formula, and you can just like derive it, and then you can use it to solve
Yeah,
the
oo,
equations.
ganun.
Yeah.
Or on math talaga ako kaysa sa science.
Yeah, well, I'm more of a science guy. But then you still excel more than me, so.
Uy, hindi ah.
Excuse me. Says
Excuse me.
the academic scholar.
Ay, mawawala na ako sa scholar because of my pharma nga.
Oof. Gago.
Saka hindi naman ang videos na to.
Mm.
Tsaka hindi naman nagmamatter yung academic scholar, especially if nag-online the first sem ng first year. Like siguro, hindi naman nagmamatter.
Pero,
Like Almonte, full scholar. Si Stacy Lim, hindi ako natatalino. Yung sinabi ko kanina kay Isa nung nag-uusap kayo.
si Stacy?
Hindi matalino si Stacy.
Hindi ba talino si Stacy? What?
Hindi talaga ako natatalino kay Stacy Lim.
Really? Ano lang, she's like,
Active siya, pero
active
hindi siya
lang.
matalino.
That's why she,
Kilala mo, sino kayong palata nun?
si Espinar.
Espinar.
Yun yung matalino. Ay,
Ay,
hindi siya matalino?
kaklase ni Kayan. Tinanong ko si Kayan dito. Parang palatanong lang siya. More on ganun lang.
But you know what? Sometimes his questions make sense. Sometimes his questions doesn't.
Yeah, like,
His questions
alam mo, like, kita-kita mo sa PowerPoint, nakalagay na dun, itatanong mo
Yun
pa.
nga.
Like, yun lang, hindi lang ako...
I haven't seen him lately.
Sinari,
Okay.
syempre, DEF ka, yun.
I wonder if he's alive pa.
Almonte din ba? Hindi ako natatalinoan kay Almonte. Putang ina. Gulat na gulat ako sa full color. Kaklase ko si Almonte. Kilala ko buong pagkatao ni Almonte. Lalo na si Paula Mayroto. Tang ina. Gulat na gulat ako kay Paula.
Ay, scholar si
Talaga.
Paula.
ang alam ko partial. Tangin na talaga yung, alam mo yun, yung kinopya niya lang yung work ko. Tapos, maggagawa ka ng essay. Tapos, may stupid something shot na mumurahin mo yung ano. Yung sa essay mo. Hindi, meron kaming group work. Siyempre, kailangan maging professional, gano'n. Tapos, tangin na, sobrang layo ng sagot niya sa tanong. Tapos, nagmumura yung ano, like, may stupid pa.
Huh?
Eh, sabi ko, tangin na, bakit ka magpapasa ng ganitong paperwork?
It's an academic paper, no?
Tangin na, sobrang, ano talaga ni Paula. Sobrang layo talaga. Ano ba? Kanina nga, nung di ba him pala. Naglupang hinirang kanina. Lahat kami, tahimik, lahat kami, like, as in talaga, walang nagpa-phone, lahat, ganyan. Tapos si Paula, nagsa-cellphone na. Ay, nakita ko nagsusudoku siya. Lumaban ako sa Sudoku, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10.
Ano?
Sudoku.
Adik ka?
Lumaban, Sudoku. Alam mo yung Sudoku?
Yeah. May tournament yan?
Oo, sa amin meron. Lahat yun, 8, 9, 10, first place. Easy.
You're really good with numbers, no?
Hindi ko lang in-expect yun kasi alam mo nang una laban ko. Nag-ask lang yung teacher namin, sinong maalam dito mag-Sudoku ganyan kasi ilalaban daw nila. Walang nag-volunteer, ganun. Sinong nag-encourage sa akin ng friend ko? Basta, hindi ko alam kung, hindi, grade 9 ko kasi, si Alicia ata, siya yung nag-encourage sa akin, tapos siya pa yung nagsulat ng pangalan ko dun sa Sudoku. Tapos ay nagdire-diretso na, first laban ko, grade 8, like, binigyan kami ng papers, ganun, binigay yung Sudoku, ganun. Marami palang type ng Sudoku yun. Doon ko lang nalaman. Sabi ko, nalimutan ko na yung type, talagang hindi sa Sudoku. Marami niya palang type, tapos yung binigay, hindi siya yung normal na Sudoku. As in, hindi. Tapos, pero nasagutan ko na maayos. Tapos wala pang 5 minutes actually, natapos ko siya. Tapos, natakot, bakit? Tapos na agad ako, tapos yung iba kong kasama, wala pang mga sagot, like kakaunti pa lang yun sa puzzle. So, pinasa ko na. Tapos, announcement, ganyan, after a week. Nagulat ako, first place.
Really?
Tinawag ako, from St. Clair of Assisi. Dating sila ni KP. Yun yung gusto ko sa school namin, like laging mayroon patawag sa stage, ganyan. Punta ako sa stage, ganyan. Tapos lumaban, ganyan, district division, tapos grade 9 na naman, lumaban. Tapos, nung grade 9, nanalo first place, kasi hindi ko nakuha yung award ko, kasi late ako na.
Why didn't you go engineer, your parents?
Ha?
You would have... Nag-feel bad lang.
No, it's fine. Okay, nakamove on na ako.
Ha?
So, nakamove on na ako nun.
Okay, I really feel like...
Alam mo, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, kung wala ko sa nursing, feeling ko kaya kong mag-excel talaga.
Yeah, I feel like you really would have excelled in aviation. Should I not have said that?
Yeah, it's fine.
Should I not have said that?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's fine nga eh.
Sorry.
Like, okay na, nakamove on na ako about sa aviation. Ano yung grade 9, hindi ko nakuha yung award ko kasi late ako. So sabi ko, ay ko na lang daw kay ma'am. Singket siya eh, na maliit, na maputi, na mahaba po. Pakala nito, teacher ko to ng grade 11 sa akin, stat.
Your competitor?
Teacher, sabi ko, ay kuhain na lang daw yung award ko, tsaka yung medal dun kay teacher niya. Kay Ma'am Jelly. So, di ko rin nakuha yung award ko kasi kilala mo ko, sobrang mahihain ako. Hindi ko kinuha yung award ko. Yan, grade 9 na lang. Though, tinawag ako sa stage way award ako. Tapos grade 10 naman, okay. Nakuha ko naman. Thank you.
You know how you have all these awards in high school? You know the only awards I got? Champion for Got Talent.
Sheesh! Oh!
That's all.
Tapos sobrang solid ang grade 9 life ko talaga. As in, siguro sa lahat ng, sa aming section yung pinaka-solid. Especially sa mga sabayang pagbigkas, never kaming hindi nag-champion talaga. Tapos ako yung leader. Ay!
Ayo eh!
Lima kaming leader nun. Ako, si Micah, si Dreams.
Pero ikaw yung pinaka, like, most involved.
Ano pa ba? Sino ba? Wait lang, hindi ka pa rin. Oh, kasi nag-dream si Sarah. Sino yung isa? Di ba kami leader nun? Lahat kami tulungan talaga. Kasi lahat naman sila, responsible naman talaga sa work.
May
Grade 10 din, leader ako nung samayang kaibigan. Pero nung grade 9 talaga puro champion. Pero nung grade 10 hindi. Second lang ata ako ng grade 10. Tangin lang yan. Ang bobobo ng mga kaklase ko.
bakit to?
Nakakawal. Kasi nung grade 9, sobrang solid talaga ng section namin. Palaging shuffle yung namin. Tapos nung grade 10, wala. Parang mga pabigat na yung naging kaklase ko. Actually, meron kaming cream section.
What?
You know what's cream section?
It's a cream
Star section.
Star section.
Like, pinakamatalino na doon.
Andun ka?
Like, no, wait. Meron akong opportunity na nandun ako. Kasi honors ako, consistent honors ako. So, yung mga honors doon, like, ang honors sa amin is by average. For the first 30, top 30 na students, nandun siya sa
Cream section.
cream section. Pero alam mo, meron akong opportunity. Isa-sign ko lang yung name ko. Hindi, nag-hetero ako.
What's hetero?
Like, the other section na hindi sa namin. Alam mo kung bakit?
What? Huh? What do you mean?
Ha, di ba maraming section. Correct. Sabihin natin, cream section, section A, B, C, D. Pwede ako dito, kasi qualified ako dito, pero sumama ako dito.
Why?
Kasi na din yung friends ko, wala kang friends dito.
Ko.
Pero okay lang, kasi nga kaya nga ako nagta-top 1 sa classroom, kaya ako nga palagi top 1 eh. Yun yung masaya. Kasi feeling ko kung sumama ako sa cream section, feeling ko hindi ako matatop 1 dun. That's the reason why kung bakit ako top 1. Sorry guys. At least masaya. Masaya din kasi bardago lang yung mga, kasi kapag nasa cream section ka, parang matitino talaga eh. Ayun.
You'll leave this here lang?
Alan?
Nameplate?
Wait lang. Sorry, Casey. Sorry, Rio. Bye-bye na, guys. Dada na namin. 37 minutes. Oh, sorry, Bye!